This is going to be a video product review of the Blureeze M8 Pro Electric Toothbrush for adults. 6 hours of charge will last 6 months. That's right. Charging this for 6 hours should get you through 180 days. So we have the package over here. We have the information on what this does, the power of the motor. It's waterproof, has a 2-minute auto timer. So after 2 minutes, it will shut off. It comes with 8 toothbrush heads that will get you through many, many months of brushing your teeth. We have a nice travel case if you need it. Personally, I don't need the case because I use the brush every day. It sits on my counter. This is the newer one that I bought. I have another one sitting on the bathroom counter right now. It has a charge cable. As I said, it comes with all the brush heads. So let me show you why you want to buy this. The most important thing for anybody is good gums, healthy gums. You don't want gingivitis, you don't want tartar buildup on your teeth. So you purchase this Blureeze M8 Pro Electric Toothbrush. It will help you keep your teeth clean, help you keep your gums healthy, help you keep your teeth white. So we have the power button over here. Let's get a little better lighting. That's the power button. And when you press that, you get your clean function. Or you can press it again. For sensitive, it's a little easier on the gums and the teeth. You have the whitening function, and it comes with an instruction book, so if you have any questions, read the manual. And then we have a massage feature. You can see what that's doing. I'm going to show that to you again. And then you also have your battery light, so you know when you're charged up and what's going on. So after 2 minutes, this is going to shut off. Let me turn this off now. I want to zoom in so that you can see what's going on with this toothbrush. These are very beneficial. You do want to use these for healthy gums, healthy teeth. So we are right now on the massage function. I'm going to press it again. It turns off. I'm going to press it again, hold down the switch. We are on the clean function right now. So this is giving you ultrasonic cleaning. Let's press it again. We're on the sensitive. It's a lot easier on the teeth and the gums. So if you have sensitive gums, this is perfect for you. We're going to press it again. The whitening feature. And finally, we're going to go back to the massage feature. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can purchase the Blureeze Pro Electric Toothbrush. I recommend this. It's very good for reducing plaque on the teeth. It is much better than a manual toothbrush. What I do at nighttime, probably unlike other people, but at nighttime, I lay down on the sofa while I'm watching TV. I close my eyes and I brush my teeth, and I'll lay there until the 2-minute timer goes off, and I'll do it again maybe for another 2 minutes, sometimes for an additional 2 minutes. I love it. It's very relaxing, very calming. You can work on all quadrants of your mouth, get your teeth really clean. They will feel wonderful. You'll feel really good. You'll have fresh breath, clean teeth, all because you go out and buy the Blureeze electric toothbrush with 8 toothbrush heads, a traveling case, the manual, the toothbrush, and the USB cable to do the charge. Remember, I said you charge this once. This should get you through 6 months of time for cleaning. Make sure you purchase this today.